Hi everyone, today I want to share with you my October daily album ready to go. I finished it up and I'm ready to use it for my October daily, so I wanted to share it with you. I used this paper collection, The Fall Break by Cartabella, and I do have a video on showing this entire paper collection and all the ephemera and embellishments that I'm going to use, so I will post a link to that video in the description box below. And I show the album and some other supplies that I will be using throughout the month of October. So I die cut some of these alphas, and it's with a K, but that's because I'm from the Netherlands and we spell October with a K. 2018, and for this one I used the Tim Holtz die, and I didn't put anything in here yet, so I have some paper from the collection and I hand stitched around or along the edges, and here I have a die cut or journaling card from the collection, and I also did some hand stitching with white thread. I used my Nuvo drops to create some enamel dots in 3 different colors. So when you open it up, I created a pocket and I also hand stitched along the edge of the pocket, and inside I do have a little book that I created, and here I have some chipboard pieces from the collection. It spells out autumn, and this book has 32 pages, and this is going to be my notebook for October. So today it's the 1st of October. I have to fill in what I did today or what kind of pictures I took today. So I'm going to use a page each day, and then I'm going to journal what I did. So when I am ready to print my photos and do some journaling, I take this notebook and then I know what I did. So it goes inside this pocket, and I'm sorry for the glare, I do have some plastic pockets. So I just have some paper, and here I created a shaker pocket with some sequins that match the paper collection. And oops, here I created a big envelope, so maybe I can keep some receipts or any other kind of ephemera in here. And I know the 5th of October I'm going to do something really nice, so I know I will be taking a lot of pictures. That's why I have several pages for this day. And I took a page and I cut it like this, and I have a part here and a part here. And this is a journaling card from the collection. I really love this card. Let me try if I can use... Oh no, this is not making it any better. I'm sorry. And here I have another shaker pocket, and I used my fuse tool. Another large page for a 6x8 photo layout. And here I'm going to do some journaling. Here I have another shaker pocket. Ooh, I'm sorry for the glare. I know it's bad. I do have a paper bag right here. This is a sticker from the collection, and I have a pocket right here, and I have a large pocket right here, and I have some reinforcers for the paper bags. I really like to do that. And here's the back side of the paper bag. I absolutely love this paper. Another journaling card from the collection. And some of the inserts, I just have some black ones. Maybe I can use them as journaling spots with a white gel pen, or maybe I will use them as photo mats. I'm not sure. I'm going to find out once I finish my, or I start creating in my October daily. And here I have some more room for journaling, and this is a beautiful journaling card from the collection. It's one of my favorites. And I didn't adhere any ephemera or stickers yet because I want to use those for decorating my pages. try to avoid the glare a little bit better. Another large page. And this is my last shaker pocket. I do not have many sequins in all kinds of nice shapes, so I worked with what I had in my stash. And for the last page I have another paper bag with a pocket right here and a large pocket right here. Oops. And for the last page I created another pocket. I used some foam tape to adhere the pocket down, so I do have some room here for ephemera. And this is a chipboard piece from the collection, and this is a sticker from the collection. So, and I didn't do anything to the back side. So yeah, this is my October daily album ready to use, and I cannot wait to take pictures. I already took some pictures today, and I cannot wait to fill this album up. So I hope you will stay tuned, and I'm definitely going to do some process videos on filling up my October daily. So yeah, I really want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.